Hey everyone! Welcome back to Z Tech Advisor channel. Today, we're diving into securing architecture topic. So, let's get started. Securing architecture involves the strategic design and implementation of systems, networks, and applications to mitigate cybersecurity risks and safeguard sensitive information. A real-life example of securing architecture can be seen in the financial sector, where banks employ sophisticated architectural designs to protect customer data and financial transactions. In this context, secure architecture includes robust firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access to banking systems and customer accounts. Additionally, secure architecture incorporates multi-factor authentication methods to verify the identity of users accessing online banking platforms, enhancing overall security posture. Furthermore, secure architecture in the financial sector extends to the implementation of secure application frameworks for online banking portals and mobile banking apps. These frameworks integrate security features such as input validation, secure session management, and secure coding practices to prevent common vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection attacks. By adopting secure architecture principles, financial institutions can mitigate the risk of data breaches and maintain customer trust in their services. Another example of securing architecture can be found in the healthcare industry, where hospitals and medical facilities must protect sensitive patient information in compliance with regulations like HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. Secure architecture in healthcare involves implementing access controls, encryption, and audit trails to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of patient records. For instance, electronic health record (EHR) systems utilize secure architecture to restrict access to patient data based on role-based permissions, preventing unauthorized disclosure of sensitive medical information. Moreover, securing architecture extends beyond traditional IT environments to encompass emerging technologies such as cloud computing. Organizations leverage secure cloud architectures to store and process data securely while benefiting from scalability and flexibility. For example, a company may adopt a secure architecture for its cloud infrastructure by implementing encryption for data at rest and in transit, as well as deploying network security controls such as virtual private networks, VPNs, and intrusion prevention systems, IPS. By integrating security into the design of cloud architecture, organizations can mitigate the risk of data breaches and unauthorized access to cloud-based resources. In addition to traditional industries, securing architecture is also critical in sectors that rely heavily on Internet of Things, IoT, devices, such as manufacturing, transportation, and smart cities. These industries deploy interconnected devices and sensors to optimize operations and enhance efficiency, but they also introduce new cybersecurity challenges. Secure architecture in IoT environments involves implementing measures to authenticate and authorize IoT devices, encrypting data transmitted between devices and back-end systems, and segmenting networks to isolate IoT traffic from critical infrastructure. By incorporating security into the design of IoT architectures, organizations can mitigate the risk of cyber attacks targeting vulnerable devices and protect against potential disruptions to essential services. In summary, securing architecture is essential across various industries to protect against cybersecurity threats and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and systems. Whether it's in banking, healthcare, or cloud computing, organizations must prioritize secure architectural designs to mitigate risks and maintain regulatory compliance. By adopting best practices and leveraging advanced security technologies, businesses can establish robust architectural frameworks that withstand evolving cyber threats and safeguard critical assets. That wraps up today's discussion on securing architecture tutorials. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or would like more insight into this topic, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and info coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.